This tutorial review will show you how to convert note to PDF on iPhone. So if you have created a note on your iPhone and now if you want to convert the note into PDF, you can always do so. So open your notes and open the specific note you want to convert to PDF. Tap on this three dot icon at the top right, and here tap on print, and now tap on print, and here we can see the note is converted to PDF document and it's time to save or export it. So tap on saved files, select a folder where you want to save and tap on save. And now I'm going to my Files app, and here we can see the note has been successfully converted to PDF. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.